Unboxing the Xiaomi Watch Color. Definitely a step up from a fitness band. Not quite as feature rich as the Mi Watch, for example, but it does come in a lot cheaper. I think a lot of people are going to be looking for something like this. Let's get it open. Another good looking box from Xiaomi. It's a white box. It comes in 3 colors. You get a silver, this black, gray, and also a goldy color for the crown. And of course you can switch between tons of different straps too. The back of the box you just saw does list the features, but we'll go through them much more in depth in the unboxing. A similar look and feel on the unboxing as the Xiaomi Mi Watch, but this does come in cheaper at about 800 RMB in China. International pricing, don't know as yet. Inside this box you get the charging cable. It just slips on to the bottom of the crown of the watch, and of course it is circular because Xiaomi have gone for a circular design this time around. Something I noticed straight away is that it is a lot lighter than the Mi Watch, and that's probably because it doesn't have a couple of the internal components that one does. You get a 1.39 inch AMOLED display on this one, and it does feel about the right size for me at least. You can see around the outside it does have those markers that are not part of the AMOLED display. On the back you have the sensors for the heart rate, stress and sleep monitoring that you can do on this watch. Another really great feature that I saw on this watch, and the Mi Watch doesn't have it, is these interchangeable straps. All you have to do is pinch the metal edge on each side of the strap and it just pops out. It's a really simple and easy method to changing the straps. It comes with this black strap at least, but there are tons of straps already available that you can buy from Xiaomi. All in all, physically, I think Xiaomi have done a really good job in just making a stylish, light fitness band, but it's actually looking like more of a smartwatch. The main difference between this and the Mi Watch is that the Mi Watch can support network access and you can use it without your phone, whereas this one you do have to link up to your smartwatch to use the features. You need to download Android Wear OS and also Xiaomi's app before you can get it working, and then it just links up automatically very quickly and very easily. Once it's set up, you can actually go through all the features on the phone before you start using the watch. For example, Xiaomi say that there are already over 1,500 watch faces for this watch available out of the box that you can choose from. That's another really good feature that I think will attract quite a lot of people. You can set up notifications on your watch. You can turn on and off which apps send notifications to your watch so you're not disturbed when you don't want to be. You can also look at all the apps that the watch has on your smartphone and it tells you a little bit about them. Of course, I'm in China, so it's in Chinese for now. Using the watch itself, the top button flicks you in and out of the main setting screen where you can see all of the apps. You can go into all of the settings menus and set it up as you want. I couldn't find anywhere to change the language settings on this one, but this is the China version. If you're buying it outside of China, of course, it will have your language on there. You can swipe right from the main watch face to get the most important fitness settings that you can look at. For example, your heart rate, your sleep monitoring, and the weather too. I noticed though that in the settings menus, you can't swipe up or down. You can push a button to go back or swipe left and right. There are of course other settings in the main menu, for example stopwatches and countdown timers, which you'll need if you are timing your workouts or your runs. Another good feature is that you can call your smartphone if you've lost it. So you just press the button and your smartphone will start ringing. That's actually a really useful feature that I'm sure a lot of people will be glad to have. The bottom right hand button takes you straight into the workouts setting menu where you can track all your specific workouts, for example swimming, running or hill climbing. Then you can go back out into the main watch face. Race to wake also works really well, and I just think the watch overall is a really good looking smartwatch and fitness tracker. Another very good smartwatch from Xiaomi, bringing us a lot of choice at the moment in this area. Subscribe for all the latest tech news and unboxings and follow my Twitter for more too. That's it for now, but I'll see you in the next one.